there's a natural basin which says, there are two versions of the Sermon on the Mount, right? There's not just Matthew.
Right.
There's in Luke as well, right?
Right.
And the version from Luke says that the word came from the sea, from the fishing boat. And they were sitting in the mountain, right? So here there is like a natural basin. If you look down to where those banana trees are, all the banana plantations here in this natural basin, you have like a natural amphitheater, natural basin for that word to be carried, for multitudes of people to hear that word. Take those banana trees now, guys. Each banana tree is a person. Each banana tree is a person, and you have a setting for the Sermon on the Mount in the eyes of the people that live in this region, and what it is they understand, the code of language that they can understand. And they would have heard the words, they would have heard them like this. Ashrei, Ashrei is blessed be, okay? All I'm doing are the 8 blessed be's. Blessed be, okay, blessed be in Hebrew. Ashrei anei aruach, ki lahem malchut hashamayim. Ashrei ha'avalim, כי הם ינוחמו. אשרי העוניים, כי הם ירשו את הארץ. אשרי הרעבים והצמאים לצדק, כי הם ישבעו. אשרי הרחמנים, כי הם ירחמו. אשרי ברי הלבב, כי הם יראו את האלוהים. אשרי רודפי שלום, כי בני אדם, בני האלוהים יקראו. אשרי הנרדפים בגלל הצדק, כי להם מלכות השמיים. אשריכם אם יחרפו וירדפו אתכם ויעללו עליכם בגללי. שמחו וגילו, כי שכרכם רב בשמיים. הרי כך רדפו את הנביאים שהיו לפניכם. In other words, guys, that's the language, that's the sound, that's the setting, that's the eyes that would have been here for the Sermon on the Mount.